grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now today, Bitcoin has pumped all the way to 63,000 again, man. I wake up, I go to bed, and we're at like 61,000. We've pumped all the way to 63. So we're going to talk about the Bitcoin chart. Clearly, I have some things circled here I want to show you. If we look at this new website, coin360.com, we can see that we're all green. This is all green. The only things that are red are basically stable coins here. USDC, Shiba is in the red as well right there. It's all green. It's all green. Shiba Inu has had some a sell-off. I would call it a sell-off because 50% overnight, of course, you're going to get a sell-off. I did not sell, by the way. I'm waiting for that next pump. I think the next pump will probably be even bigger on Shiba. No financial advice. We also have Solana breaking all-time high right here. Big, big stuff. So we're also going to cover XRP today, the XRP chart, QNT. We have some mega news from Mastercard. I'm going to show you how it connects to Ripple XRP, of course, because every piece of big news all stems back to Ripple XRP. We are also going to talk about Coinbase. We're going to talk about that coin that scans your eye. We're going to talk about Janet Yellen saying the dumbest things I've ever heard in my life, and it's probably going to be funny, my reaction to it. So definitely watch to the end. Make sure you click that like button right now, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and let's go. Starting off with the Bitcoin chart. Actually, let's start with reading off the entire market cap. 2.6, man. Dude, this is the time. It's coming, okay? This is the time we make the most money ever, and it is so euphoric to think about. You're going to make so much money, and if you do this right, you won't lose, okay? I am excited because I'm taking profit this time, because I have a brain this time. 2017, I had a 17-year-old, broke 17-year-old brain. Now I'm 21 and bossed up in my brain, and I bossed up my capital too. So I'm playing with actual real money in this. I wish I could show you my balance. So this is what we're rocking with, 2.6 trillion, right? 100 billion volume. Whole market's looking like this. We got near pumping. We've got some near news at the end. I actually do think this is going to do very well, this coin. So starting off with the Bitcoin chart here, look at this. I want to show you about this. Look, these triangles indicate a reversal. So we got on the 45 minute, if you were watching the 45 minute, you basically got spammed with 3 reversal triangles, right? And what did the price do? I mean, it was already kind of reversing. So this was the main signal. Right? On this candle, you would have still thought it might be going up because none of this would have existed. But it gave you that reversal. Boom. Continued. These were just confirmations that it would continue. Boom. And we also got a yellow X. Now, what's the yellow X? Everybody loves the yellow X in Market Cypher. This means manipulation and sketchy business is happening. So when I saw this on 45-minute chart, it's basically a trap. So the price continues down. What it indicates is the price is going to continue down and then it's going to bounce up. Okay, so that's what that did, or that's what that indicates, and it did do that, right? The price continued down a little bit, all the way, in fact, to 59,000, right? And we're bouncing up now. Also, we got this indicator of a reverse trend. We're still going up, man. Look at this, still going up here. Also, if you would have took this long right here, on this green dot, if you would have took this, so what I've been doing is I'm just watching because I'm too scared to put in like an actual long trade on some of these. So I'm just watching so far, and so far this has been hitting. Like if I would have done this, put in a long right here on 45 minute, boom, you would have been like, because there's like a double signal right here, like a two green dots, right? And if we look at the RSI, Bitcoin is approaching overbought, right? Is approaching right here on the 100. This is the normal RSI and the stochastic RSI. and we can see it's getting in the red close to that 100 level right here. But dude, honestly, I think we're going to continue back up. This is going to be proof. Like, we're going to go and fight this. We're going to go and flip this resistance as support right here. We're going to flip this thing. Okay? And this is the time. And heading into November, it's about to get crazy. XRP, we also had a yellow X on the 45-minute. Boom, price dumped, back up. It was a trap, as you can see. Also, we had this long signal, this green dot, a double green dot right here lined up. If you would have took that, let's see, you would have been balling. You would have been balling. That's like, I don't even know how much percent that is. Let's see, boom. That's like 3%. That's pretty crazy. Now, QNT is also looking good right here. I circled this because this reversal indicator also worked, right? You would have seen it right here. You wouldn't know if you're going back up. Reversal, you would have known you're going down. So, the big news today, man, is Mastercard. They're basically saying Bitcoin is pumping because of this Mastercard news. This is how big the Mastercard stuff is. Basically, Mastercard says that any bank or merchant on its vast network can soon offer crypto services. So just a thing of how big this is, millions of merchants with Mastercard, thousands of banks with Mastercard, right? The services they could end up offering are Bitcoin wallets, credit and debit cards that earn rewards in crypto, and enable digital assets to be spent, and loyalty programs where airlines or hotel points can be converted into Bitcoin. This is big, and I think this Bitcoin trend will continue, this uptrend. We will continue. I think we're going to blast past this, to be honest. I think we're probably going to blast past that, to be honest. But if we don't, then you know it's still coming. It's still coming for November. Let's switch to the 4-hour. We could see we're approaching this this level right here. This could be the one, man. This could be the one that takes us past all-time high again. That is what I'm thinking. Approaching the end of this month here. But this Mastercard news is big. By the way, they're using Backed. So this is the Ripple XRP connection here. They're using Backed. Now let me show you the main Backed site, right? The main Backed site is pretty cool. It looks standard, like a nice crypto site. We go to the partners, right? They have Starbucks, first of all. They have Quiznos. That's a sandwich place. They have Cantaloupe. What the heck is Cantaloupe? Finostra is the big one. Finostra is the big one. If we go to Finostra, right? Well, Finostra is partnered with Ripple. They are directly partnered with Ripple, in fact. October 9, 2019. You notice how they partnered in October, and it's October right now. A little bit of a synchronicity right there. Also, I'm going to have to update the Ripple Decoded, man, because it is lining up. But if you look in this Ripple Finostra announcement, you see that they will also have the option to use on-demand liquidity, which leverages the digital asset XRP. Directly, they tell you right here that they do have this option, which means they can flip a switch. Is Mastercard and Backed and Finostra going to flip the switch? It's a very layered partnership, right? I call these layered partnerships. You have Ripple, Finostra, Backed, Mastercard. That's a 4-layer partnership right there. Now, we have this. I get this email every day, and it's from Crunchbase, and I saw today that Coinbase Ventures invested in Worldcoin, okay? Worldcoin is the one that scans your eyeball, and apparently this is criticized as an MLM Ponzi business model, and we have this Zach guy saying it's distributed fairly, yet the team gets 20% of the supply, and every major venture capital is invested. The user acquisition model imitates that of an MLM. Herbalife, he gives as an example. I know what that is. The name resembles a 2017 ICO scam. Privacy policy permits them to give your data to third parties. This thing is getting crucified right now. That Worldcoin is interesting. We have Janet Yellen. I'm going to play the clip. This is the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. Here we go.
Well, I think what's under consideration is a proposal that
Man, the way she talks even pisses me off.
Senator Wyden and the Senate Finance Committee have been looking at that would impose a tax on unrealized capital gains.
Impose a tax on unrealized capital gains? Are you insane? What are you talking about? Unrealized capital gains. So you're saying I haven't even made the money technically and you want the tax from it. Dude, oh my goodness. I'm sorry, man. I wish somebody would like bum rush her and push her off the stage, man. Just run and push her off the stage, man. She's a cute grandma, but come on, what are you saying, dude? This means that stock gains will be taxed even when they have not been sold. What the? You're going to make people liquidate their capital to pay taxes. You just make, this is a good way to crash the entire thing, man. They're trying to crash the entire thing. Man, I was here for the 2017 bull market. This is from British Miss. Everything exploded. It was amazing. I took minimal profits. January 10th, everything lost 40 to 50%. And all your gains are gone. This is what you have to watch out for. You should be steady taking profit. If your coins are going up, man, steady taking profit. You should be steady taking profit. Watch out. Jordan Harry says, don't sleep on Jimmy. Everyone's looking at this Jimmy Capital dude. He's saying a vague photo in what looks like a private jet. He says, it is done. Congratulations to all. Very, very vague. I hate things like this, to be honest. He does have ulterior motives because he is a venture capitalist right here. So he does have an ulterior motive to brainwash sheep into thinking XRP is going to 35,000. I know you know that clip I'm talking about of the other venture capital guy. They do have a secret interest, right? But this guy's great. Hopefully this buyback thing happens. Federal Reserve buyback would be crazy. Potentially this has something to do with that buyback. Nobody can know, but Fed buyback might be incoming somehow. Now, I don't know much about that. I did show one graphic one time about how that could happen. We're going to be covering that news as it, or that theory, because that is the epitome of a theory, is coming out. We have Alter of Ego right here, Federal Reserve Economic Data. We have Mr. Poole posting this FRED right here. This looks like a calendar to me, but this is like some Scrabble thing, I think, or something, right? And Alter of Ego points out that it is FRED, short for Federal Reserve Economic Data, which is an online database consisting of hundreds of thousands of economic time series, right, from everywhere. That's a big thing right there. We have Near Protocol offering $800 million in grants in a bid for DeFi mindshare. As you can see, Near is pushing all-time high right as we speak. It just made it an hour ago at 1187. I think this thing's going to do very good from now on, actually. Steady growth, to be honest. Look at this. Steady growth. Yeah, Near is a good one. Near is a good one. I've looked into Near a little bit. Definitely a good one. So, this is the daily market update, man. Mastercard, this news is about to get pumped everywhere. I already made a TikTok, 7 in the morning. Mason's standing over there, screaming at his camera that Mastercard, with his hand up like this, filming himself, screaming at the camera, telling you that Mastercard is getting involved, man. And I wish I included this Ripple partnership. I found it after I made the TikTok and posted it. All right, that is all we've got. Make sure you follow on Instagram, Twitter. Join the Telegram. We just hit 10,000 Gold Squad members in the Telegram. I love it. But I love you all as well. And goodbye, folks.
Grow, still can't.